Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys some of my tips on how you can work in Bloxburg and actually enjoy it. So you are going to just go to the home here. Wait, you're going to go to this icon, sorry. Go to work, and if you work solo, I recommend either delivery person or pizza baker. If you can't drive in games like me, I recommend the pizza baker one. So it's just going to load you to the restaurant. Still loading. And here you're just going to get this ingredients and just copy on just copy the image. That's what I'm trying to say, sorry. Okay, but if you have, not if you have friends, but if your friends play Bloxburg, what I recommend you to do is you go across from the pizza and you work here instead of the pizza place, because this is way more fun to work with friends. So here, just go in the back, and here they basically tell you to fry french fries and stuff like that, and there's like a burger station. Oh dear, I need a shower. There's one where you assemble stuff and where you cut stuff and where you restock stuff. I think that's way more fun. Let me just go back to my house. But it's just way more fun to do that with friends. I think the recommended one would be if you had 4 people working there. But that is pretty much it, really. Just have fun with it. Don't work until you're tired, because that's what happened yesterday to me, and yeah, it was very exhausting. But if again you work with friends, it would be way funner, so make sure you do that. And those are just some tips on working, and I do think the burger one is the best one and the pizza one, but it gets a little bit boring, the pizza one, so I recommend the burger one, and it gives you a lot of money as well. As you can see, I built this beautiful house and I still have 50,000 left. I've been working for around 3 days, but I have been working constantly. So that is it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!